The Trio 28 is 3 lenses in one: Sweet, Twist, and Velvet. These effects can be selected right on the front of the lens by simply turning the dial to select the effect you want. Then, just focus and shoot. The effects allow you to draw the attention with surprising sharpness right in the center, and a fall-off that can be as smooth as velvet, or with an amazing swirling bokeh in your background and edges. The Trio 28 will really bring all of your creative photography ideas to life.